Hi there, welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2015 Ram Promaster City SLT with 68,000 kilometers in white. Introduced in 2015, the Ram Promaster is great if you've got a small business, maybe you want to do some camping, or just everyday hauling stuff around. On the SLT model, you get passenger and driver side heated seats. Nice thing about this Promaster, you've got both winter and summer tires, and the interior is in such great shape. Been hardly used. Dual sliding doors make it easy to get equipment in and out. The rear barn doors open wide, so you'll have no problem getting your equipment in and out of this Promaster City. So you've got power windows, power locks, you got air conditioning, tilt steering, cruise control, you've got hands-free Bluetooth for making calls and receiving calls, and one of my favorite options, a backup camera. This 2015 Promaster City SLT is a local vehicle with no accidents. So if it's raining or snowing or just cold outside, no worries. We'll take the vehicle you're looking at, like this little Promaster City, we'll put it inside our indoor showroom. You can look at it under the comfort of our bright showroom lights. Take your time and enjoy yourself. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer low rate financing with extended terms, plus we help people with BRUISED credit, which means you'll be driving a newer vehicle like this Promaster City at a lower rate the whole time, rebuilding your credit. We're located on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. All you have to do is look for the Coombs Country Junction. You'll see our outdoor display and the Miracle Truck and Car Company sign, and all you got to do is go straight down and you'll run right into our indoor showroom. You know what? It's just a nicer way to buy a vehicle. You can deal with one or both of the owners. We'll answer all your questions. We'll get you approved. We'll get you a payment. We'll appraise your car. It's simpler. It's easier. We hope you'll enjoy it. And you know what? We just really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.